How to log in to Yahoo account. So if you want to log into your Yahoo account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Yahoo, and after searching on the first search you will have www.yahoo.com. click on that, and now to log into your account, on the upper right corner you will have sign in option. Click on sign in. And then if you have a saved account, then you can simply click on your saved account. But if you don't have a saved account, then click on use another account. And here you have to enter your username or email or your phone number. But if you forgot your username, then you can click on forgot username and then you can reset your username. Or if you don't have an account, then you can click on create an account to create a Yahoo account. Or you can also continue with your Google. So to log in, first enter your username, email or mobile number, and after entering, click on next. And then you have to enter your password to finish your sign in. So if you remember your password, then type your password. But if you don't remember, then click on forgot password and then you can reset your password from there. But if you remember your password, enter your password and then click on next. And that's it. That's how you log into your Yahoo account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.